Vivi. Viv, do you like all those plastic bags? What else? Are you reading the sign on NyQuil? It's like, this is a manual for what parents should not do. Oh, you like your plastic bags, don't you? If anybody who asks who ate those chocolate candies, I'm gonna say it was Vivi. What? You like the bottle? It's a good thing it's sealed. Okay. What else? Viv. Vivi. What else? Oh, the plastic bags make the right noise, they're the right texture, everything is right about them, right, Vivi? Perfect, dangerous toy. Yay!